How to move section in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to move sections in Wix Studio. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then choose your website. After that, you will be in that website dashboard and then you can navigate to edit site. You can click on it and then you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. And if you want to move section, actually there are two methods. So the first method is you can just right click on the elements of the section. So maybe, or let's say I'm gonna move this section. So I can right click and then you can select a layer and then choose the welcome section here. And after that, you can click three dots here. Then there is option to move up or move down because this is the top of the page. You cannot move up again, you can just move down. You can click on it, then it will move down, and then I'm gonna move it down again, down, and it's moving down, and it will be like this. So I'm gonna zoom out so it will be easier to see it. So yeah, like this. So that is the first method, the first way to move sections. And the second method is you can go to the sidebars and then you can click layers. And as you can see, this is all of your sections. So basically you can just, drag and drop like this and it will moving your section. So like this, your section will be moved. So you can see this is the section. I'm gonna move it down like this. And yeah, let's move down to here. Yes. So yeah, you can basically just drag and drop and it will automatically move to your preferred to your preferred to your preferred location. So I think that's it, how to move section in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.